Whew, gotta clean this room African style. Mad dirty. Look at that. Let the cleaning begin. Gotta put this. Alright, I have to put this chair on the bed. Chair goes on the bed for now. Now what's next? You here? Oh. This is time to get water. I got two stuffs to use. Look, I got this, okay? But I prefer this one with the rag so I can properly dry my floor. So let's get to it. Use this first, then we use the rag to clean it, dry it properly. So, all right. Now let me show you why I like this rag method instead. Let's oh, good God. Okay, we did good. Yep. We did good. Job's done. Job done. Now we gotta put all of this back together. It's not much to just start with a chair. Here. We don't need to do much. Ta-da! And I'm good to go. There we go. We're going to do the rest later. Thank you for watching and happy Sunday.